Hey guys, today we are going to learn how to pick a combination lock. First, we have to know which side the lock opens. It seems that it is this side. Then you have to take the opposite side dial, and in that dial we have to take any number. I'm starting from 0. Then we have to pull this and the other 3 dials in the opposite directions. We have to see if there's a gap. It has common logic in it. If the dial is correct, the lock will come a little bit outside and the dial will become loose from the other dials. So for 0, there seems to be just a little bit gap. For 1, the same, and for 2, it is less, so it's definitely not the one. Then 3 has a little bit more gap than 1 and 0. Then 4, it's normal, exact same as 1 and 0. Then 5, the exact same. Then 6. Now 6 has a little bit more gap than the numbers we have done before. We have to see if the numbers we're going to do after 6 are much bigger than this gap. Then 7, it seems same. Then 8, also the same. Then 9, you can see we already done 0 before, so it seems that 6 is the correct number. Then 0 again, we have to pull it hard. Now 0 has a little bit more gap than the one we done here, so we are taking 0 as a possible number. Then 1, not much, the same. Then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9. Now we can see that 0 has a little bit more gap than the others. Here it is also moving, both of the dials. If you try to move these dials, it's not moving. So I'm thinking these two are the correct numbers till now. Then the next dial, 0, we have to do the consecutive dial for each dial, the right side. Now for this one, we are going to do it for this dial. Now starting from 0, we are going to pull. It seems that 0 has no gap at all. Then 1, not much, same as 0. Then 2, okay. Then 3, then 4. Now we can see that 4 has a little bit more gap than 1, 2, 3 we have done till now. We are keeping it as a possible number. Then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9. As you can see, 4 has a little bit more gap than all of these numbers. You might say that I'm cheating, that I already know the password, but my dad said the password without me knowing in the other room, as you can see. Then for the last dial, you can just randomly skip numbers and try to open the lock, because it doesn't matter which one you're trying to open. Not 4, not 5, not 6, not 7, not 8. Let's see, 9. There you go. So the password was 6049. You can follow this method. There are other methods, but I find this one is the most simple one. Thank you for watching the video.